Hi everyone, hope everyone are fine. So in this week's video, what we are going to see is doing a self-defense using nunchuck. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to make a nunchuck by yourself with the means of a plastic PVC pipe and also a shoelace, which is very easily available everywhere. Okay. So after making that, I'll teach you how you must swing a nunchuck. Okay. So before going to this, okay, basically many people will ask like, what is the main purpose of learning a self-defense? See, ideally, a self-defense is not only to protect yourself from anyone physical attacks. It imbibes you into various values such as hard work, dedication, perseverance. Because without that, you cannot do or expertise in anything. And more or less, the most important thing is it gives you a self-confidence within yourself, which is a very essential quality which is required not only for the child until the grown-up person. So let's see in this video how to do a nunchuck and also how to practice nunchuck for your self-defense. You can buy two 12-inch plastic PVC pipes from the hardware shop and get it drilled there itself, or you can drill it yourself. So first I'm going to take this part and we need to leave the lace in the first hole of our, and then once after you pulling this, leave the lace inside the other hole and bring it towards the other side like this. And then again leave it in this hole. So this is the basic one for the first. The distance, the gap between the length of the string has to be your palm length. Okay, it must be like this. So I'm going to adjust it accordingly. Now again we need to link this way. So first I'm just leaving this cord again inside this and then once you pull this, leave it this side, such that it comes to the other side. Once you brought this way, now see, you have to leave this cord and the second cord which is going inside this, right, this one, you need to somehow pull that cord outside. I think we are almost done. So once I pull this side, I need to create a knot with this. tight knot. Okay, then later part you can pull this inside. See, you can pull this knot. Somehow you can push this. Before that, let me just now you can pull this inside such that it is not visible, right? And later part you can cut this lace as well. Okay, and now you can cut the extra portion of the lace and then push that knot inside so that it is not visible. Okay, in the same way you can cut the extra portion of this lace and you can push the knot inside such that it is not visible. And now I think your triple string nunchuck is ready to swing in action. So this is the nunchuck which we did using a PVC pipe and a cord. Now I am going to teach you a basic swing using nunchuck. Okay, so first swing is rotate like this and catch this position. Okay, this is 1, and again next is opposite side, you have to catch this way. This is 2. Again this is back side, you have to catch like this. This is 3. Again the opposite side, again you need to catch like this. This is 4, and you have to move across like this. This is 5, 6, 7. Done. To do it quickly, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now next item is doing figure 8 in nunchuck. It's just a normal 8 which you do in a scrap like this. This is a normal 8 for you. Okay, this is forward 8. Same way you can put a reverse 8. So especially with nunchucks, if you want to be very effective, the more quicker you are, it makes you more effective. So whatever you do nunchuck, do it very quickly such that it doesn't make the opponent to come near you. So practice this figure 8 and the swings continuously so that you will have some basic idea of how to self defend yourself. So hope you all understood how to do a basic nunchuck and also how to do a basic swing from this video. If you do like this video and if you are interested in knowing advanced techniques in using nunchuck, please do add in the comments. Based on your response, I will post few more videos on nunchuck as well. So do practice this regularly and self defend yourself successfully. See you then. Bye.